Having an organised home isn't a one and done project. I'm sure you've seen or heard of TV shows where a crew comes in to a messy home, removes everything, sets it up and leaves. This may seem appealing to you. Many people are overwhelmed at the thought of going through their belongings, making a decision about each item and then maintaining an organised home. Wouldn't it be easier to have somebody just come in and do it for you? But the problem with one and done organising is that it doesn't help you build new habits. Your home might look nice right then, but if the way someone else organised your things doesn't suit you and you don't know how to keep it organised, the clutter will come right back. It's a learned skill and one that anyone can learn. And there's nothing wrong with using an organising service like Organise2Excel to help you with that on a regular basis. An organised home is much easier to keep that way. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want regular updates on practical tips to organise your life. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise2Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. And I'm here today to help you organise your home. So I love easy to follow systems that apply in lots of situations. No two homes or businesses are the same, and over the years I've relied on the iCare system to help clients get and stay organised. It's useful in homes, businesses, anywhere there's stuff. So iCare stands for Identify, Categorise, Assign Homes, Relationships and Ease of Maintenance. So identify. What exactly are you trying to accomplish? Do you want to create more space by decluttering or organise what you have? Categorise. Sorting through your items and deciding whether to keep, donate, or as a last resort, trash them. Assign homes. If an item doesn't have a specific place to go back to when you're done with it, it's liable to float around the house. Assign each item a home so it can go back later. Relationships. Ask yourself, do I use this often? If the answer is yes, keep it within easy reach so you can access it with minimal effort and put it back. If the answer is no, it's okay to keep it in a more out-of-the-way place. Not everything has to be or even can be within arm's reach all the time. Ease of maintenance. If it's too hard, you won't do it. So make it easy to maintain your organising system. Don't expect yourself to maintain an alphabetized spice cabinet. If all the spices are in one cabinet, that's plenty. Keep your organisation system as simple as you can get away with. If it keeps your home clutter-free and you can keep up with it, it's a good system. Decluttering is the process of deciding what to do with each and every item you have. If you want help setting up your home organising systems, go to homeorganizingsystems.com to sign up for our new 4-week course starting in the spring. Organise2Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website organise2excel.com.